So let me summarize what we have discussed till now. So first thing, what we discuss it, what are the driving modes that any user, for example, you, myself, or any other persons go on a daily basis when they drives the car. The second things that what we came to know about, what are the opposing forces or obstacle forces acting on the vehicle when the vehicle tries to move forward. And the third thing what we discussed, what force is dominant in which driving condition. And the job of the motor is just to provide equal amount of force to move this car forward. So just to give you an visual representation of it, let's say this is the electric vehicle car, and we have already discussed when the car tries to move forward, what are the force which is going to act on it. So the first force which is going to act on this is the gradient force. And the second force is going to act here, which will be the force due to the air drag force. The third force which is going to act on this car is force due to the rolling resistance force. And the fourth force which is going to act on this car when the car tries to accelerate will be the force due to the angular acceleration plus force due to the linear acceleration. And the job of the motor, let's say here when the motor is fixed in the wheel, to overcome or to provide the equal amount of force. What is the equal amount of force? It will be nothing but the summation of all this force. So let's say here motor is delivering a torque here. So what will happen, this wheel will try to move in this direction, which is the forward direction. And when it tries to move forward, the tire which is having a contact to the road will push this road towards the backside. And when it tries to push this road backside, it feels a force on the vehicle towards the forward direction. And this force, we call it a traction force. So this force is going to be equal to the summation of all this force which is acting on this vehicle. So now let's calculate the amount of this traction force.